What if the Iraqi dinar suddenly became worth dramatically more than it is today? For years, the Iraqi dinar has attracted enormous attention from investors, currency speculators, and online communities convinced that a major revaluation, often called an RV, could transform the currency overnight. But in 2026, separating legitimate economic development from rumors, exaggerated predictions, and unrealistic promises is more important than ever. If you are considering the Iraqi dinar as an investment, there are 7 things you absolutely need to understand before believing any headline about a coming revaluation. First, you need to understand what Iraqi dinar RV actually means. Revaluation generally refers to an official increase in the value of a country's currency against other currencies. That is very different from simply seeing the exchange rate move because of normal market conditions. Iraq's monetary authorities can influence exchange rate policy, but a dramatic increase in the dinar's value would require major economic and monetary considerations. An overnight transformation from a very low-valued currency into one worth $1, several dollars, or more would be an extraordinary event, not something investors should automatically expect. Second, Iraq's economic fundamentals matter far more than social media predictions. Iraq possesses enormous oil resources, and oil revenues are a critical part of the country's economy and government finances. A stronger and more diversified economy could support greater currency stability over time. But oil wealth alone does not guarantee a massive currency appreciation. Iraq also has to deal with government spending, inflation, banking sector development, trade, foreign exchange management, political uncertainty, and the need to diversify beyond oil. Third, investors must understand the difference between a revaluation and a redenomination. These two terms are often confused online. A redenomination can involve changing the numerical units of a currency, such as removing zeros from banknotes, without creating a corresponding increase in real purchasing power. A revaluation, on the other hand, changes the currency's official value relative to another currency or currency system. If Iraq ever changes the structure of its currency, investors need to carefully examine what the change actually means